Have you ever thought about hidden dangers in your home? Chances are you have smoke detectors throughout your home. But what have you done to keep your family safe from natural gas leaks and carbon monoxide dangers? I put my first natural gas alarm in my kitchen because I have a gas stove on my island, but I also have a natural gas hot water heater, furnace, and fireplace in my home. So one is not enough, just like smoke detectors. 30 seconds and less than 3 cents a day is all it took for me to protect my home, my family. DeNova Detect is that easy.
Danger. Gas leak explosion risk. Evacuate, then call 911.
Head to the link in my bio to shop DeNova Detect alarms.